Your phone is silent, no messages, no calls. It feels like she's disappeared from the radar. You start thinking, what went wrong? But after thinking about it, you don't find any answers. Why did she suddenly change? Well, there's a psychological trick you can use to flip the situation. In the next few minutes, I'm going to reveal the hidden dynamics of attraction that many guys don't even realize. By the end of this video, you'll understand the key to shifting from the guy who's being ignored to the guy who's irresistible. So, are you ready to become a magnet that draws her attention back? Let's get started. Number 1. Mirror neurons. What are they and how to use them? Mirror neurons are brain components that activate when we do something or when we see someone else doing the same thing. These neurons are the foundation of empathy, learning, and more importantly for us, attraction. When she starts ignoring you, your most natural reaction might be to chase her, trying harder to get her attention. But this is where most guys make the wrong move, bro. You need to understand the effect of mirror neurons and how to use them properly. How to use mirror neurons. Here's how, bro. You need to mimic her communication style. Match her behavioral patterns. For example, if she takes a while to reply to your messages, you should do the same. If she responds with short answers, you do the same. This creates the mirror neuron effect, making her feel like there's a natural synced connection between you two. You're no longer someone who's chasing her, but someone who matches her rhythm. Then, once you've successfully matched her behavior, slowly start pulling back. Humans naturally dislike emptiness, so when you create a little space in your life, her brain will try to fill that void. She'll start wondering, why did he stop chasing? Why does he seem so calm now and doesn't care as much? This isn't about playing hard to get, bro. It's about making yourself appear more valuable and triggering her natural curiosity. Number 2. Dopamine. Why uncertainty attracts. Her attention dopamine is often referred to as the feel-good neurotransmitter, but it's more accurately called the chemical that makes us want more. When we get something pleasurable, dopamine is released in our brain, making us feel satisfied and happy. But what's more interesting is that our brain releases more dopamine when we get an unpredictable reward. This is the basis of why we get addicted to things, because uncertainty keeps us hooked. Using dopamine in relationships. In relationships, this means you shouldn't always be available. If you always reply quickly, always be there when she needs you, you start to look predictable and boring. To make use of dopamine, create an unpredictable communication pattern. Sometimes reply quickly, sometimes take longer. Sometimes your conversation is lively, sometimes short and simple. This uncertainty makes her brain keep releasing dopamine, creating a little addiction to your attention. Number 3. Intermittent reinforcement. An advanced technique is intermittent reinforcement. This means providing varied emotional experiences. Sometimes you give her full and warm attention, but at other times you pull back a little. This makes her always curious and wanting more. This uncertainty strengthens her attraction, bro. Number 4. Confidence. One of the most attractive traits. Confidence is one of the most attractive traits someone can have. Many studies show that confident people are more likely to attract attention. But true confidence doesn't mean you need to feel confident all the time. It's about how you act confidently even when you don't feel that way. When she starts ignoring you, it's natural for your confidence to waver. You may doubt yourself, question what went wrong, or even question your worth. But honestly, that's when confidence is most important. How to stay confident in challenging situations. True confidence is the ability to stay calm and move forward, even when there's doubt. How can you stay confident in situations that aren't supporting you? Start by focusing on things you can control, your own life. Confidence is built through accomplishments, even small ones. This means focus on your hobbies, pursue your career, and start exercising regularly. When you feel progress in your life, it automatically boosts your confidence. Just as important is building immunity to rejection. You have to realize that when someone ignores you, it's not a reflection of your self-worth. It's just the action of one person at one moment in time. Number 5. Show passion for life. Why it makes you more attractive. You need to show the passion you have for life. People with passion for life tend to be more attractive because passion shows drive, ethics, and purpose. Passion for life can be many things. Maybe your job, your hobbies, or the dreams you're pursuing. When you show that you have something that excites and focuses you, not only do you become more attractive, but also more emotionally fulfilled. The interesting part here is, you're not showing your passion for her. You're showing it because it's part of who you are. People with passion for life don't need validation from others. They're fulfilled on their own. And that's what makes them so attractive. Number 6. Mystery. One of the most overlooked elements of attraction. Mystery is one of the most overlooked elements of attraction. A psychological theory explains that the human brain has a natural urge to fill in gaps of information. We're attracted to things we don't fully understand. And this can be applied in relationships. Using mystery in relationships. The mystery method means you don't reveal everything about yourself right away. Give just enough to make her interested, but always leave the sense that there's more to discover about you. You should be like an intriguing book. Not one that can be read in one day, but a novel that keeps readers curious and wanting to know more. This technique also involves how you speak and interact with her. For example, you can hint at something exciting happening in your life without revealing everything. This makes her curious and wanting to know more about you. Now you understand how to get someone's attention back using strong psychological principles. Thanks, and I hope this helps.